got to the ramp this morning at a little before daylight. There's 3 inches of ice there. I know because I busted with the trailer tire to see what it was. But there's another ramp that was open, and we're out here in the main water. I've never been here before, so thank goodness the GPS has tracked how I got here, because I probably don't forgot by the time we get home. But we put planer boards and santee rigs and cut bait, and we're gonna try it out. I've marked a couple things. It'll be striped as far as I know, but we're just gonna roll on and enjoy today. At least we didn't have to turn around and drive all the way back home. So y'all stick with me. Appreciate it. This Shannon. Got a hit right there. All right, my left hit. Take down. Good take down. Must hook up good. It's cold out here, boys. We're in 45 foot of water. We're gonna bring them up nice and easy. Startled me. We got both wind socks going on parachutes. And this first bite of the day. Big piece of cut bait. He pulling pretty good. Might just be deep. He's gonna go through some lines. Good. Hope he's strong. It's supposed to be warm today, but it's done it's a good fish. But this wind blowing off this water is 35 degrees. Let me get this dude over here. He's a chunk. Old chunk. Come here, man. I gotta be careful back in the boat so I don't fall in. Quite as agile as I used to be. That's a fat dude right there. About time. Let's get a net. Let's get a net. Oh, man. I'm glad he stayed on. Surprised me. Let's see. Choke up on this thing. Come here, butt wild man. That old headpiece. I'll eat my fish now. Eat my fish now. There. Take. Let this out real easy. I ain't got the bird nest of a century. There we go. There we go. What do you say, big man? Turn you around here. Turn you around here. Figure out what I'm gonna do. Camera angle. We're gonna see how sturdy it is. Let's see. Haha, that was cool, man. That was cool. Sitting up there looking at my phone. Female. Right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect hookup. There you go. He is burping. Let that air bladder go. Man, we're gonna get home. We'll see what this footage looks like. I don't know if it's gonna be steady enough. Oh, that dude was stuck in there. There you go. That's somewhere where it ain't gonna hurt me. On the border is the best place. Alright, let's see here. Look at that rascal. He's cold. Let me get my fish pliers. on my finger halfway tore off today. That's what the hose is. Look at there. First ramp went to this morning was frozen. We got him. We got him though. And, let's see how much he weighs. Maybe 16 pounds. Yep. My supplier is about 15. So good fish. We're gonna take his picture and put him back. Get baited up. Hopefully catch a couple fish today. I don't know how long we're gonna fish. It ain't but 11 o'clock. I've got thinking about being by the wood stove already. So let's get after it. All right, let's get him back in. Old fat boy. Yeah, that's probably a female, but yeah, fish back in there. There you go. She gone. Got a hit. Got a hit. Something's going on. Yeah, we got something. He ain't hit it hard, but he's set on it. Try to bring him up a little slower. Let the air out of him. I reckon it's a fish. I don't know. Well, I'll be a daggone stick. Let's see what he does. Come on, loosen there. He ain't walking sideways. My hands are cold. I ain't doing a good job managing this situation. I don't know what we got. I think it's coming up. Whatever it is. God, how far I throw this back here. That's a funny I can do. He's staying straight in line, whatever it is. It's a fish. It's a fish. That's how you make fishing videos. Man, it's cool to catch some fish. Especially like I said, I ain't ever fished up here. I'm thinking I might know where that's at though. After looking at it. I think we got us a new spot. That old bad boy right there. Another head piece. 8-10 pounds. What are you doing? We're gonna go and net him. We can't make fishing videos. We let all the fish go. Come here. Oh, come here, cowboy. He hit it, got hooked. Oh, wait, come here. Got hooked. Got a fish. Right. It's a lot going on. Right now we're doing about a little 0.6. That's as slow as I can go. This wind pushing me. But when we're fishing, how it is. Guess we always anchor up. Ain't what I like to do. Oh, straighten out, man. Don't be mean. Always getting mean. There. Got us another one. Got us another one. About 10 pounds, I reckon. Long, big old big head. That's probably old male. We're gonna put him back in the water. Put him on back in the water. If I don't strip over his net. I'm gonna get some good footage. There he gone. Woo! Got him. Got some fish. Got him on that alpha board right there. What it does is spreads your baits out. You can see I got 6 rods, 2 down the center, and I pull these planer boards. Helps to spread out. You cover more water, plus it kind of helps you not getting tangled up so much when you drift it. So I like it. It's a good product. We're gonna give it. We might fish another hour. Feels like bad if winds beat me up. I was sweating this morning. Now I wish I brought some more clothes. All right, folks, we found some open water, fished a new spot, put 2 catfish in the boat, and it got a little windy out there, pretty sporty. We caught some fish. We tried out some new stuff from different camera angles, and we'll get home and see if we can't put it together. Hey, if you like these videos, like, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'm thankful. This is Shannon. See you on the water.